Dear friends, in this video, I'm going to show how do you integrate UiPath Insights with Automation Hub. Let's say you would like to build some dashboard. How many processes are in development? How many processes are live? And for that, you need to have UiPath Insights connection. How will you do it? For this, all you have to do is simply go to admin. And here you have something called platform setup. There's an option here called Insights connection. Click on this. Now it's better to go through this and understand. However, the actual action that you have to take is this one. The moment you enable this and save it, what happens? This entire UiPath Automation Hub is going to integrate with UiPath Insights. I'm not going to do it in this one. However, this is the place which you have to enable. Now, once you enable this and go back and go to Insights, and this will take almost like 1 hour to sync so that the data from Automation Hub will flow to UiPath Insights. And after doing this, if you type Automation Hub, there will be a template available. Because I didn't enable, it is not appearing. But when you type Automation Hub, the template will automatically appear here if you have enabled the UiPath Insights connection. Let me go back once again. Click on admin, click on platform setup, click on Insights connection. Now if you see what happens when the integration is enabled. So this is how you enable the integration. This is currently disconnected, but this is where you have to enable. What happens when the integration is enabled? When the integration is enabled, Automation Hub will start sending data to Insights. Click here the type of data sent. Data will be refreshed every hour. Remember this, every 1 hour it is going to refresh the data. Insights will use the data to expose the pre-built dashboards for Automation Hub. This is what I was talking about. When you go to Automation UiPath Insights, you would find a template called Automation Hub. This will be only enabled when you enable the connection, as well as allowing the user to create their own custom dashboards. When navigating to Insights, you will be able to view and customize the Automation Hub dashboards. So this is important. If you are not able to find a dashboard for Automation Hub in UiPath Insights, that means you have not enabled the connections. If you have the admin privilege, you'll be able to come here and enable the connection of Automation Hub with UiPath Insights and build your dashboards. So I hope this information is helpful. Let's meet once again in our next content. Till then, take care.